Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily monetize your video on YouTube after you have accepted your YouTube channel monetization. So for doing this you will see here appear monetization tab, and you just need to click on off, and here you will see on button, so just click on it and just click save. So now you can see that it successfully saved monetization and turn on this video. If you want to choose manually what type of ads you want to see on your video, you just click on monetization here, and here you will choose display ads, overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads or non-skippable video ads, and just click on save after you choose variants you want, options, and just monetize your video and earn with AdSense. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.